tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you got this for me?
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Holly, and I'm back at it again with another one. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, as well as this wig right here next to me, we got another tutorial. We haven't had one of these in a minute, so let's have a moment of silence for that long pause of like not making videos with hair, but we back at it. There we go. So I'm reviewing Shela hair today. They sent me a 22-inch 360 lace, 220 density, 280% density lace wig. All I did so far was I bleached the knots and I put like some deep conditioner in the hair. Well, this I put in the hair, some Aussie Miracle Curls First Taming Cream, because I'm gonna wear this hair wavy. I'm not gonna flat iron it just yet. I'm just gonna wear its natural like curl pattern or whatever. But first, let's do unboxing before we get into that. Before we get into her, here's a box. Get into the box. Shela hair. And they haven't contacted me with a discount yet, but if I get one, I'll put it on the screen right here for you guys, and down in the description box down below. This everything that came inside the wig package. And the box has their Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. It's all at Shela Hair. I'll put the name on the screen right here at Shela Hair. They sent me some eyelashes. These are actually cute, but I probably won't ever wear them because I don't like short lashes, but these are them. They sent me like a little pad, I guess, to write things on or whatever. A little notepad with their logo on it, Shela Hair. Post-its and like little tabs or whatever. They sent me these like clips. These are the clips. 3 of them. They're star clips, different colors. Like, they're kind of cute actually. I might actually put these in my hair tomorrow. I might do a look tomorrow, you guys. I'm gonna do get ready with me for work. Or extra get ready to be for work. I don't know wear makeup like that to work, so I'm gonna be extra tomorrow. Just because I can. But this is it. They sent me a comb, a little pink comb. It's like a detangling comb in a way. I would say that's what it is. You can hear the bristles moving around. Jesus. It's like what are they called? The combs, not bristles, that brush. The whatever this is on the comb are really thick. And this is the ends of it. It has like these little star-shaped cutouts of it, and it's like pink. It's really cute. Probably keep this in my bag and just comb through the hair. It's like a small little comb. Keep in your purse or whatnot. They also sent me this little cute orange scrunchie right here with a little bow tie. It has like yellow polka dots all over it. This is it. And last but not least, something else. The last 2 things they sent me were wig caps. So I got 2 dark brown wig caps. The ones I like as well. And they sent me like, what is this? This is like extra clips. Let's see if I wanted to make like add some more clips to my wig, I guess. They sent me those bendable clips that I never use. I hate clips in my wig. And extra clips to secure it. I hate clips in my wig, so I would never put clips in my wig. I'm actually gonna cut out the combs in my wig that are in there now. They sit them with, because I can't stand combs in the wig. They stab the hell out of my head. And who wants to get stabbed? Not me, so that's a dub. That's the empty box though. This has their contact information right here. Shela Hair. In the back's the same thing with their information. Alright, so I'm gonna actually take a quick shower and I'm gonna come back with my wig cap on. You guys didn't know how I do this, so I'm not gonna make another video with it. I'm gonna come back with when I'm ready to put on this bad boy. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So I'm just showing you guys that my shit look crazy without my wig on. That's the washed wig, not bleaching all of that, and that's the wig cap that came with the hair as well. Sorry for my chewing, chopping hard as hell. And you guys already know how much glue I use. I do like 2-3 layers of the Ghost Bond glue. My favorite glue, okay? This time I didn't buy it on Amazon. I actually bought it on at a beauty supply store for $19.99. Cheap, I know. So I'm just cutting off the combs off this wig because I hate combs. Sorry for that noise. It's my YouTube. I'm watching YouTube while I'm editing YouTube. Ain't that ironic? And ignore my chewing. I'm just chewing like a freaking horse, like a cow eating grass. Like, oh my god. But yeah, I'm just throwing on that wig right now, using my comb to flatten that the wig on top of the glue. And as you can see, that it's still white showing through it. But I didn't show you guys the wig the next day. The next day, all that dried up and it was clear. I kind of show you guys the next result, but whatever. When I do my update video, I'll probably show you guys the result. And I'm just filling in some parts that the glue did not hit, or that the spots that weren't sticking down as well. Oh my god, my sped up chewing was even worse than my actual chewing. Jesus. Ugh, disgusted. And when I get my glue going on here, you feel me? I just use a little black wrap to wrap that up so the glue so it can stick down and lay down while the glue dry. Period. So while my thing was drying, I'm over here smoking hookah like a crackhead, doing a whoa. Whoa. Okay, smoking that hookah is barely pulling, girls. You need to stop. Okay? Stop it. So I'm just over here adding the baby hairs, cutting that in. As you can see, some of that whiteness did dry up in this video, and it was gone by the next day. But that thing is coming out of my scalp, honey. Nobody can tell me that I don't have this hair coming out of my scalp. Alright? It's coming out of the scalp. Period. Okay guys, so this is the final look with the edges laid. And my hair is still kind of white, so I'm gonna lay it down all night tonight, and I'm gonna let the hair dry, whatever. So I'm gonna pin this back. I'm gonna probably wear it in a bun all night. While I lay a scarf around it so that it can lay flat. And yeah, but so far I like this wig. But the one problem I had with it was when I bleaching the knots, like the hair didn't fall out, but what I didn't notice when I was washing it out, the hair did get very brittle. And not even the roots where I bleached, like the actual ends got very brittle, and it's not gonna need a lot of moisturization. So when I bleached it, I definitely used a lot of deep conditioner. I didn't use any shampoo when I rinsed these things out. I didn't use any shampoo, just straight deep conditioner to deep condition it. And I put the curling, the moisturizing anti-frizz curling thing inside of it, just to avoid any, you know, any type of, just to avoid any kind of like dry hair or whatever. But this is it. And I'll give you guys an update within like a week or two, depending how long this glue lasts on my hair. You know, Ghost Bond lasts a while. But I'm gonna just keep it on, and when my lace is lifting up, I'll come back with like an update on this hair. And I'm not gonna straighten it. If I do straighten it, I'm gonna come back to this video and I'm gonna show you guys how I straighten this hair. But once again, this is the Shela 22-inch, 220% density through lace 360 loose wave wig. Okay, so this is it. I don't sew the back down on these wigs because I don't see the purpose of it. Maybe I should. I wonder how it will look if I sewed the back down and wore up in a bun. I feel like people still notice that it's a wig. I don't know. I might sew it down. Depends how I feel. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. But for right now, I'm not going to sew it down. Don't really see the point. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.